All right, students. The question says differentiate the following using first principle. I have taken the example and the questions from the R.D. Sharma book itself. The very first example is this: fx is equal to root under ax plus b. You have to differentiate it by using the first principle. So as you see, fx is equal to root under ax plus b. So in place of this x, if I am writing x plus h, then over here this x will be written as x plus h. I hope you all are getting this point. Remaining things will remain as it is. All right. And now if you have to find out the differentiation of root under ax plus b, that is represented either by this d dx of root over ax plus b or dy by dx. This y is nothing but it is y. This root under ax plus b can also be taken as y or fx, and similarly this fx can after differentiation can be written as f dash x. So the very basic principle for differentiation by using the first principle is this one. I hope you can understand that is nothing but it is limit h tending to 0 fx plus h minus fx all divided by h. So in place of this fx plus h, we have written this thing root under a bracket x plus h plus b. That is what I have written over here, and fx in place of this, the original function which was given is this one, and whole divided by h. That I think you can understand easily. Now we are rationalizing the numerator. Only the numerator is rationalized by simply multiplying the same quantity. Only difference is in place of this minus we have to take the plus sign, which is what I have shown over here. So when we are multiplying the numerator and denominator by this quantity, then you see in the numerator we have a minus b into a plus b. So that is finally is written as a square, that is this square minus this whole square, and after removing the square root sign we are getting this thing which is simply simplified, and finally we are getting ah only after cancellation. And from this ah and then in the denominator we have h, those h will be cancelled and we are left with a whole divided by this whole thing, where if we are taking the limit h tending to 0, that means this becomes 0, then this whole quantity will become ax plus b root under, which is what I have written here, and root under ax plus b already was there. So finally after adding these two we are getting a divided by 2 root under ax plus b, which is the d dx of root under ax plus b. That is the differentiation of root under ax plus b by the first principle. I hope you have all understood. Thank you.